I'm going to talk today about the Monoprice USB Type-C to Type-C cable, USB 3.1 rated. The test device that I'm using is the ADATA SE730. That's thing yet to be launched in the market, but I got an engineering sample. It's got a USB Type-C port and an SSD inside. The ADATA supplied USB Type-C to Type A cable, and here I have the Monoprice Type C to Type C cable. One of the PCIe devices that I'm using for USB Type C is the ASUS USB 3.1 Type C card, but right now I'm just going to show what happens with an ASRock USB 3.1 Type C plus Type A card. So for that, first let me show what happens with the Type C to Type A cable. So I have the Type C here. I'm unwinding it. The other cable. So here you can see that the blue LED comes on. Now let's see what happens when I take the Monoprice Type C cable. I here. You cannot see the light come on even when the cable is pressed tightly. Just to make sure, I'm just taking off the other cable completely from the card and powering on the system too. The USB Type-C device just doesn't get powered on at all with the Monoprice cable.